Can't keep up, then that's something we all live up. Kenny Bass march with the wall of Jericho.
Yeah.
Come me down school like a January. From in a mother belly. People we get kick up. Rise the calico. Brain a fly no mosquito.
Well,
Reaction.
boom! What's the word to Mr. Boy Tyreke Vlogs, aka the reaction boss? People, before the video begins, let me give a shout out because that person recommend that song on Instagram too. As you may say, follow my Instagram at Life of Tyreke. The dog Instagram name TJN.00. As you may say, TJN.00. Big up yourself. And you recommend and say, yo, the man here are saying it's Vibes Cartel. You did me and say, and recommend few songs. See them, if you lie to me, don't even talk. Big up yourself, my general. Right now, a song from Highlight, song called January. You see me say, Armed and Dangerous, produced by what that? Magician Beats. Make we see what go on now, man. I read the comments them a while ago and I say, yo, them a manifest, yo, international fame for the dog in the comment section. I and tell me and say, alright then. If you was them a support them in general, oh, you call it, you see, this is not a family, this is a cult. The cult, that's, yo, the cult, I push up for all my G. You see me? But comment on the video, see your comment right there in the next video that I post, recommend some songs. Let's get straight to the video. No, I'm always saying people, like up the video so the video get recommends to more people. You see me? I say, drop some comments so the video recommends to more people. And that's how we're going to grow over here. So you see me? I say, that's how the artist will get more people that go watch him song over this, or listen to him song over this. You see me? I say, you see me? So it's a win-win for everybody, including you, the fans who recommend the dog song them. You see me? I'm giving the bad reaction right now still. You see me? It's a highlight, January. Yeah, man, because so and just some more artists I'm saying kids so bad to man. Now I'm told drop some more artists, man. But right now we're up on the highlight journey. So because so I go on now, man. Don't know it chopping. We see what I go on this like Armed and Dangerous. Me listen to it yet. Then me I say, run tune! Run tune. Run it! Alright then. Armed and Dangerous! Hit that motherfucker, didn't I? Let's go! Alright then.
The Glock 18 chip up.
Yeah.
Can't keep up, then that's something we all live up.
Yeah.
Kenny Bass march with the wall of Jericho.
Who march with the wall of Jericho? That's a big black.
Anytime keep up, then that's something we all live up. Kenny Bass march with the wall of Jericho.
Yeah.
Come me down school like a January. From in a mother belly. People we get kick up. Rise the calico. Brain a fly no mosquito.
Well,
keep rich like keep up. Have you bang a phone with the people.
keep rich like keep all them man they are big up. Raw sleet. Kicking a mother belly like a Johnny. Call it. What? We
Fly
keep
no
rich like
mosquito.
keep up.
Yeah, we keep rich like
Keep up.
have you bang a phone with the VPN? No
Voila now.
Nobody never tell us we roll like a military, cool like a January.
What?
Head a bang bone, me say man.
The dog get told. You think you listen? The name of the song, not because the song name January means say yo, it actually a jumpy. The dog say you cool like January. So January one of the coolest time of the year now. Winter time when bass no fall America and generally. They me I say. But the man never tell us say move like in military. The dog say him cool like a January. People understand what the dog I say. Listen to the lyrics. Cool like January. The dog means for telling say yo, he move like the military and the man had cool like a January. Winter time. Ask like what?
Bang bone, me say man a merry. When this money get full from me Balotelli. Party keep a spring for your cemetery.
What?
Say the casket heavy.
You heard that the dog say a party keep a cemetery, Springfield cemetery to be exact. Go on!
Killing them a march like February. Shot fire man a dance like Shelly Belly.
Woo! What land? Where Jamaica come from? How much Jamaica come from to blood clap? But the dog say, what land? In care them a march like a February. Dance like a Shelly. What land what?
March like
February.
Shot fire man a dance like Shelly Belly.
Shot fire man a dance like Shelly Belly. Chin on the neck. Me bumble clap!
Me killing them a march
Like a February.
Shot fire man a
Dance
dance
like
like
a Shelly
Shelly
Belly.
Belly. Somebody shoulda tell you we dangerous. Have you tried and no afraid for boss?
Yeah.
The little bit of gun them ain't enough. We
Yeah.
boy drop a sleep like angel dust.
Boy drop a sleep like angel dust. Yo, my general. You know what you have to do highlight? You know what you have to do, my general? Start a clash with somebody. You have more than the skills, the potential, everything you want to buckle out. Yo, start a clash with somebody. You could have been from Trinidad, you could have been from Jamaica, you could have been from Blood Clot. Barbados. Bruh, start a clash with somebody. But lyrical clash though, I like a war, I love war, you know. You hear me I say, start a clash with somebody.
They not brave enough to step in on my face, they make so tough.
That boy not tough.
Kawa. With your man and not play with us.
What?
Me shoes them are 16 plus.
What?
No Nike and no love.
Not at all.
Only a cause fan but the sign Westbrook and you know me no believe in a rush. Hitting them clean I don't polish up. Pan belly bang belly big dirty taros. Me a Sagittarius. Me a Vitaros.
Remember that part a little bit. Voila, where the floor they come from?
And play with us.
Listen you.
Them are 16 plus. No Nike and no love. Close to me only a cause fan but the sign Westbrook and you know me
no believe in a rocks.
Hitting them clean I long polish up. Pan belly bang belly big dirty taros. Me a Sagittarius. So me a Vitaros.
Voila, people. If you not enjoy the reaction right, drop some 5 emoji in the comment section, people. Drop some 5 emoji right now. You see me I say. This is the time to comment on the video, people. So if you get recommends to more people, drop some 5 emoji. Big up yourself. Go, hey, you like your video yet? Channel star. You can't watch a bumble club bad reaction for the reaction boss and not like the video, dog. Come on, my general man. Channel star. Just drop a like on the video. One like now go kill you. Your girl will give some pumps tonight. Just drop one like on the video. Your girl will give some pumps tonight. Alright, but general. Rachel!
Fire when me see the enemy, them not tired.
You know, say fire when you see enemy, they run him not tired and not tired.
Who that say on them a giant? How gunshot me a flinging a Goliath?
Hold on, the people. Is it actually disrespect? Is it actually a job? This song is targeted to someone, or just as a regular song? Let me know right now. Let me know right now. Because if a war go on, or what's going on, me want peace I war. Me react to them song there too. So let me know what's going on. Me love the war. Me the clash hype man. Me the war instigator. Let me know down below. Over bomber class saying kids what going in. Talk to me nice in the comment section, man. Run tune. Run tune.
I must see me cool and me quiet. Never know them would end up in a pool park.
What?
Some tell me them a gangster. Me know them a no gangster. One gangster a Jeremiah. Somebody should have tell you we dangerous. Have you tried trying no afraid for boss? The little bit of gun them ain't enough. We make boys up a sleep like angels. Anybody tell you we dangerous? We make boys up a sleep place they make so tough.
Let's see what's in job back again. Alright, you done with chop. Fuck with it. You see me I say? As usual, thank you everybody for tuning into the reaction boss. You see me I say? Highlight. Start a clash with somebody in channel. How to be place? I thought the bomb buckler place run out and this are you real time one time. You see me I say? This are a yard man too. It's me when you like a wrist fancy. This a yard man like Coyote. But Coyote front and flap himself in a recent war my door while like when you gonna light it a bomb buckler. But maybe more better if I know a man from Jamaica in my clash with. You see me I say? But thank you for recommending the artist as usual, people. Drop some more songs down in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, people. On the road to 20k subscribers. I personally want us to reach 20,000 subscribers before the end of October, people. Today is what? Today is the 14th of October, people. We have 2 more weeks to go. So please subscribe to the channel right now, people. We're trying to reach 20k before October ends, people. Let's see if we reach 20k before October ends. Oh gosh, man, people. 100k sure for summer next year. Sure. But my God, peace.